Hi Wise Parents, Sierra Dater here from Wise Girl Workshops. I wanted to talk with you a little bit about our Girls in Service program that is for girls who are currently in 8th through 10th grade. And I want to share with you many things about the program and some of the logistics for it. So first off, we start on April 16th with a 5-hour workshop on a Saturday. And you might think 5 hours, Sierra, why are you doing 5 hours? Now I want you to keep in mind that I have years and years of experience facilitating workshops and groups. And one thing I know that helps groups stay together is building community. Now this workshop is only going to meet once a month after this this 5-hour April workshop, because I know that girls are really busy in high school, and I know that as they transition to high school, those 8th graders and those 9th graders who are moving to 10th grade and those 10th graders who are moving into 11th grade, that they have a lot on their plate and a lot of homework and things going on, other activities. So we're going to meet once a month thereafter after that April 5-hour workshop. So the 5-hour workshop is all about building rapport and connection so that when we see each other the next month in May, we have a relationship going. It can take a long time for groups to come together. It can take many, many weeks and months for groups really to form what we call cohesion. And so being that we're only going to meet once a month for our core foundation meetings, we're going to want to spend that time in April really building community and connection. So that's that 5-hour workshop. We're going to have a lot of fun. We're going to really get to know each other, and we're going to talk and set the frame of the workshop together. So from there, in May, in May, we'll have our first core foundation meeting. It's the second Tuesday of every month. Those are going to cover things around leadership, creativity, finding purpose, wellness, and service. And we're going to talk about those areas, and we're going to have space for girls to be able to get support, give support, and really develop those 5 areas of their life through activities, through conversation, as well as having guest speakers. So that's what's going to happen the second Thursday of every month, with the exception of June and July, because girls are going to be on vacation and things like that. Now, the other piece of the program is our service project. So every month, I'm going to offer a service project that's going to be a few hours on a Saturday to invite girls to all come to that service project. We have different organizations that we're partnering with. Some months I may have 1 or 2 to offer, with the intent that we try to make at least one. If you can make both, awesome. And girls are going to be, over the time, going to be taking some leadership roles in working with these organizations. So they're really going to be developing those skills. So this program is 1 year long. It starts April 16th, and we're going to go through March. Then it's going to start again in April of 2023. I would love girls to be able to hang in there and enjoy the program for all of their high school years if possible. One of the reasons that I'm running a year-long program, and why I do for my school year wellness program, is because having a group of girls and female identifying teens that you connect with every month is really powerful. Meeting people from other schools, other grades, we can really give to each other in a lot of different ways. So when I first started Wise Girl Workshops, I had a group of girls that met together for 4 years. They went from 7th grade till 10th grade together. It was a really, really powerful experience to have these girls show up every week for each other for 4 years. And that just sort of happened organically. They wanted to keep it going. Now, I know I can't ask your daughter to sign up for 4 years, and I know I can't ask her to do that for every week. So what I am offering and asking is for a year commitment to build relationships and build these really important skills that are going to help her, one, have a kick-butt resume when she is done with our program, and build potentially lifelong connections with girls in her bigger community. So if you want more information, please feel free to reach out to me. I can't wait to get this program started. Community service is definitely at the heart of who I am and my work, and actually what brought me to be a social worker today. And these core foundation meetings are going to be tons of information that girls need to help them live well.